My name is Val Zanchuk. I'm president of Graphicast Inc. We're a foundry and machine shop located in Jaffrey, New Hampshire. One of the things that's unique about us is we're a job shop that's not just doing machining, but also doing casting as well. So everything that we machine in our shop is a casting that we make here in our foundry. Our history with Haas goes back quite a few years, but not on our machining centers, going back to the rotary tables. On our other machines, we had a rotary table on every one of them. Recently, the new Haas table came in, we set it up, and we had a little bit of a leak. We called service. They were here within 2 hours, which just shocked us. And that experience with that service was enough to say, we really need to look at what Haas is offering now, because if that's any indication of how they're working with their customers, that's the way we should be moving. We started out by buying one machine, and the interesting thing is it replaced the oldest machine we had on the floor, which was 25 years old. The fact that our new machine in today's dollars was the same price as that old machine from almost 30 years ago, with an incredible capability that was well beyond anything that could have been imagined that far back. So the value for what we were paying was just phenomenal. We put the new machine in. Everyone was a little skeptical. They had never run a Haas machine before. Within a week, everybody wanted to run it, and it was within a year that 2 more were ordered and installed because we saw the benefit. So within a year and a half, we had 3 new machines on the floor. What we're typically doing in our machining centers are removing gates, drilling, tapping, and milling. And that can be anywhere from 2 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on the complexity of the part that we have.
When we added the new Haas machines and replaced our older, aging Mori Seikis, we increased productivity, I'd say at least by 20%. So on the VF2, we're putting in the raw casting, and that's going through a few sequences, and then at the last sequence, you take off a finished complete part. On the VF3, we have a casting that starts at much larger, and it's got what we call legs on there for a holding capacity. We can clamp that down, do all the machining on it, and then it gets flipped to the vise operation, and those legs are machined off. The rotary is also used on the VF3. That way we can get at 90 degrees. We get some holes that need to be done at 90 degrees. So we'll use both of those there to complete this part.
We're swamped. I mean, we have more business than we have capacity. So the improvements that we're seeing with the Haas machines, our ability to get things through faster, be able to bring new people up to speed quickly, is helping us meet that demand. As soon as we can afford it, 2 more machines are coming in. We'll have a whole fleet of Haas machines on the floor. We're looking forward to that point where we can meet that demand that we're seeing right now.